Okay, last reminders. When you cross the tunnel, don't touch the stone upside. Okay, when you cross the tunnel, always lay down when you're going there. Okay? Always remember, go when you cross, always lay down and don't touch the stone upside. And also they have a watchman who can help you. Okay, go ahead everyone. Okay, enjoy. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay. Enjoy.